Now that we've seen road safety from a technology point of view, let's look at it from a policy perspective. Let's look at how AI and technology have shaped policies in making India's roads safer, while also looking into the future where public-private collaborations can play a key role in bringing about the social change. Please welcome Shri Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways of India. This speaks about some words about India's policy initiatives and actions through the use of technology and AI to reduce road accidents and to ensure people's safety on the roads.
My cabinet colleague Rajiv Chandrasekhar ji, Dr. Ram Sevak Sharma, CEO, National Health Authority, Nivrutti Roy, Country Head, Intel India, distinguished dignitaries, invitees, and all my dear friends. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to be speaking virtually at the second edition of the annual Global Summit, All.AI 2021, organized by Intel, which aims to create awareness, promote adoption, and accelerate artificial intelligence technology development for the welfare of our society. I am glad to hear the summit brings together about 50 eminent speakers and experts, government leaders, academicians, startups, innovators, and renowned personalities across the world. I am happy to be a part of it, and I am glad to share with you my vision for bringing India home safely by making roads safer and mobility smarter. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has rightly said that the integration of human and technology is need of the hour to solve key societal problems and to provide ease of living to our citizens. In the Indian perspective, there is a huge population, limited sources, demographic culture, and language diversities, socio-economic slabs and issues. Correct, ethical, efficient, and inclusive adoption of technology can allow us to overcome challenges and empower our citizens. Being a transport minister and an admirer of innovative technology, I am very much supportive towards application of world's best and advanced technology for transport related issues. We believe in citizen-centric transportation system where the movement of people and goods should be safe, secure, efficient, affordable, accessible, and sustainable. India is not only the largest democracy but is also a nation of young, bright people who are engineers, innovators, and entrepreneurs. And as per the current global scenario, artificial intelligence is one of the emerging technologies applied everywhere, right from speech and face recognition interface up to exploration of space. In true sense, AI is an integration of humans and technology. On AI platform, the humans along with tools and technology have successfully trained the machines to think, to learn, and to act like human beyond capacities. AI-enabled technologies would help in learning and solving problems in the most efficient way. It would bring comfort, reliability, safety, ease of doing work, and improve knowledge, creativity, information, communication, and delivery system, and transparency in the people's life. AI-enabled technologies would have capabilities to develop smart, safe, and sustainable mobility systems. As per my knowledge, artificial intelligence can handle huge data generated in traffic activities, which can be analyzed to address and solve problems. We have been facing a challenge of non-availability of reliable, organized, and real-time data sets. This is where all enabled machines can help efficiently in data management and processing. Issues like traffic congestion, which causes delays, pollution, and safety issues are basically caused due to misbalancing of supply demand calculations. With the help of AI based tools, we can accurately measure and predict the traffic conditions, take necessary steps, and avoid congestion in time. The road safety is an extremely major public health issue across the world and has become a challenge for the entire developing and low middle income countries like India. Today, India accounts for about 5 lakh road accidents annually and one of the highest in the world, in which about 1.5 lakh people die and 3 lakh have serious injuries affecting their livelihood. Our national and state highway comprise a total of only 5% of India's road network, but they made up a large share of 60% of accidental deaths. Unfortunately, the 70% of deaths are in the age group of 18 to 45 years. Due to fatal road accidents, there is not only loss of human life, but also have a greater impact in terms of loss of bread earner in a families with low incomes, and this also incurs a professional loss to the employer and so as to overall loss to the economy and society as a whole. The road safety is the topmost priority of our government. We cannot afford to lose our people, and it is our very clear commitment that by 2024 we will reduce the deaths and accidents by 50%. Over the last several years, we have been working on a three-pronged strategy. We are building better roads across controlled multi-lane divided highways and fixing issues with existing road infrastructure to promote safety. Efforts are on our training of drivers and spreading awareness of road safety in public. We are implementing advanced technology, electronic surveillance system for safe and efficient traffic movement on Indian highways, and we have undertaken several initiatives in partnership with various agencies within the government, the NGO industry, and civil society. We understand that the solution required is a very collaborative effort from the grassroots level to make this effort a success. Social consciousness, social awareness, and the social responsibility of all stakeholders towards road safety are very important. There are huge opportunities for the application of AI technologies in the transport sector, which removes human interference and possibility of errors and hence improves the efficiency and safety in traffic movement. My vision is to use artificial intelligence for enforcement purposes and specifically where state government machineries are failing short due to the variety of reasons. I encourage the uses of AI for enforcement of some of the urgent and pressing areas such as enforcement of lane discipline on national highways, especially for trucks. 2. Overspreading and detection of seat belts in vehicles. 3. Forensic post-crash investigations. 4. Pattern of accidents on black spots. 5th. Fatigue indicators and sleep detectors for drivers. 6. Advanced vehicle collision avoidance system. AI can be used to combine data from all of the mentioned applicable sources, and this data can be used to make suitable changes at the policy level. The private sector can extend their cooperation and can provide technological assistance to engineering students, third party agencies to study and submit the accident analysis report using AI based technologies. My ministry has constituted National Road Safety Council (NRSC), an independent body to carry out road safety activities in consultation with all stakeholders. All corporate and industry partners are welcome to submit their proposals and work in collaboration for better tomorrow. About 4,000 NGOs across India are already working on various aspects of road safety, and they need to be sensitized with AI enabled tools by large to further improve the effectiveness of road safety efforts. The private sector can utilize its corporate social responsibility (CSR) fund to address all four E's of road safety, which are road and vehicles, engineering, enforcement, education, and emergency health services. The private capital through social bonds, sustainability linked bonds, and the pooling of CSR funds can be widely used for road safety improvement efforts. I congratulate the team of Intel, headed by Ms. Nirupati Rai, for proactively working on road safety related issues. I had the opportunity to launch a project called iRaste by Intel in Nagpur. Project iRaste is a unique partnership of industry, academia, and government, and is initiated by Nagpur Municipal Corporations, CRRI, Mahindra and Mahindra, INAI, IITs, Hyderabad, and Intel. The project brings together the country's top experts in artificial intelligence and road safety. The engineering across the academia, industry, and government research institutions. It applies a safe system approach to aspect of one, vehicle safety, two, mobility analysis, and three, infrastructure safety. I am fascinated by all technologies developed by Intel to avoid or reduce the severity of accidents. Under the project, Nagpur city buses will be equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, and this AI-based system gives an alert to the driver in 2 seconds before any collision and avoid the accident. Immediately due to collision, the technology will be used to identify and map potential accidents black spots on the entire city road network for carrying out early preventive safety measures. All powered continuous monitoring is being conducted on city roads to gather information about road surface, road assets, and other infrastructure conditions, which will be used for timely improvement work to ensure the safety of road users. I am sure that the project will lead the world in leveraging AI for road safety goals. I am also confident that after the successful pilot in Nagpur, we would want to expand such projects across India, and Intel will have to play a major role in this. Automated inspection of roads for quality and monitoring of traffic using AI technology at a traditional scale is very much required. I am also promoting PP modes, and I call upon Intel and all the stakeholders like state, governments, industry, startups to work towards our aspirational dream of completely removing road fatalities in India. India has a potential to become a global hub for artificial intelligence, and with the young and talented engineering manpower. And I am confident that we will soon achieve this goal. We will look forward to the roadmap and recommendations for the government using adoption to implement artificial intelligence for smart and safe mobility through collaboration and teamwork. I am confident that the awareness and education on the road safety at all levels, stronger personal commitment, public-private collaboration, and the adoption of cutting-edge technology with the help of in improving road safety scenario in the country. I wish all .ai 21 a global summit a great success. Thank you. Namaskar. Dhanyavad.
A big thank you for your words, Mr. Gadkari.